lay down and wander, you mind? Slow down, there's really no time. I was born in a desert where a condor still flies. The cactus, a scarecrow with his arms waving high. A midnight cirrus dancing in bloom, while coyotes were singing to a hunter's moon. The shamans were beating a medicine drum. Visions were leaving me before they'd begun. The one thing I knew was the shape of the world is only sustained by the thoughts I build. I've seen so much strife on the edge of my life, that things only change when the time is right. There were days of rain, there were days of rain, no clouds in the sky, and the wind it blew dry. This you cannot explain. There were days of rain, each drop was in vain. You pretend to protect the things you reject as the source of your pain. Stand down and lower your arms. Hold on to the love in your heart. A northern star and a southern cross are the things that guide me when I think that I'm lost. I may not see them in the light of day, but if I keep to the trail, they won't lead me astray. The mountains blaze in the midday sun. I always find shelter when I think there's none. The course of the river, it flows into dust, but I do what I can, I do what I must. I pray for the water just to quench this thirst.